DataSync, how to clone the source database. The first step is to run OpenEdge's dbtool utility to clear any SQL field width issues. dbtool can be run using OpenEdge's proenv command line tool. Our demonstration system uses a SolDB database. Yours may vary. dbtool has now completed, so our second step is to pause DataSync. Step 3 is to run some maintenance routines to clear down DataSync's processing queues. And to reload any source database schema changes. With our preparations complete, step 4 is to start the clone. The clone has now completed and DataSync starts to index this new data. The index is complete and we get confirmation. If there have been any errors, we'll get some warnings appear here. Our demonstration system makes use of DataSync's extend module, so we're just waiting for extend to finish its initialization. Extend has now finished and the clone is complete. Thank you for watching.